Welcome back to Innovin Foods. Today we are making soft and creamy chicken malai kebab, a melt-in-mouth treat. Let's start the recipe. In a bowl add 1 cup boiled chicken pieces and 2 boiled mashed potatoes. Adding potatoes gives extra softness and makes the kebabs kid-friendly. Malai kebabs are known for their creamy texture compared to regular kebabs. This recipe is a fusion of Mughlai flavors and modern taste. Now add half teaspoon chili flakes, half teaspoon cumin, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon pepper powder, 1/4 cup fresh cream or malai. Add 1 tablespoon coriander leaves. Mix well into a soft mixture. Fresh cream ensures softness and rich flavor. Grease your hands with oil and shape into kebabs. Now take half cup cornflakes. Crush with your hands. Mix with 1/4 cup breadcrumbs. Beat 1 egg. Dip each kebab and coat with the crumb mixture. Cornflakes coating adds a unique crunch to the kebabs. Fry in medium heated oil until golden and crispy. Keep oil at medium heat to avoid burning the coating. Coriander leaves bring freshness and aid digestion. Using less oil keeps the recipe light and guilt-free. You can bake or air fry for a healthier option. Chicken provides lean protein for muscle strength. Potatoes add energy and keep the kebabs filling. Delicious chicken malai kebabs are ready to serve. Soft, creamy inside and crunchy outside. These chicken malai kebabs are a family favorite. Try them today and let us know how you liked it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Innovin Foods for more delicious recipes.